Girl, them nipples always there.
Oh my God.
Nipples always there.
Come on. Shit.
I went and got me some backup.
This my song? Good boy. That's mine, but that's yours.
This one was on the side of the bed.
Oh. I have my other one. Get out the motherfucking we say no. No. You can't get it up. No. Exactly. No. Monkey down.
Look at him.
I called to see the monkey.
Baby, you ain't no call to see the monkey. It's a booking fee.
No.
You need to send him a gift.
No.
I sent him a gift.
Okay, send it right now. He got a cash up.
Hey. Girl. Hold on. Didn't I say no? This one. No. You put that. Spit.
Look at this, y'all.
You like it.
He doing it. Yeah, he like attention. He's very much like me. Love attention. Go. Don't tell him. Don't lift.
Get your ass.
Don't jump around. Bitch, I need one of them big ass TVs.
You better not put that stop that boy. I'm dead. She's like a mom. Where you going?
Come here.
Nope. Bet you don't like me. You gonna bite your teeth.
Run up, get done up. Run up, get done up. If we beefing, I got you.
He pulled out my hair.
Stop playing with him. Stop trying to limit him to his success.
Look. Get your monkey every fucking
Baby, that's my son. And he's under control.
Ew, like, this is disgusting. What?
I just got a cleaner to come clean my house. Yes.
You don't have to do that. Ready, set, go! No. No! Hey!
Get your butt here. Come here right now. Come here, your daddy. Come here.
No. You stealing Mariah Mayo. Hey. Jonathan. Who's Jonathan?
That was your fault. Don't blame that on him. Y'all knew what y'all was getting into when y'all invited me. Get her Mayo. You know she only asked for a certain amount of packages. When y'all invited me, y'all invited my child. If I'm not welcome, my child, if my child not welcome, I'm not welcome.
That's on her. Deor. Come on. Let me save you. No cookies. No cookies. Can monkeys not have chocolate?
No.
No, let me see.
He can't have no chocolate.
He ain't a dog. Bitch, leave it. You trying to run over the limb?
You ain't got no Cheerios?
I got some cookies.
Which cookies? You can't eat chocolate.
Give us some cookies.
Graham
No,
cookies?
don't give him that because his finger is on his teeth. Give him a muffin.
I feel my baby a monkey. Get that. What you say? All right. We're about to go sit in the car.
Every time I hand him off, he says no. Jonathan.
You're not going nowhere. Stop.
Deor, listen. Nah, don't grab me. Deor, you come back over here. I need you to act right. Manners, please. You got a broom? No, I don't got it.
Okay, Deor, come here, Deor. Look at her. You listen to her. I taught you way better than that. I told you before we even came in here, you better act like you don't touch nothing, don't do nothing. Get your stuff together. Make me I'm sorry, y'all. Let me step on into this bathroom. Let me talk to you. Listen here. I told you before we came over here, don't be playing. You better not embarrass me in front of these people, okay? Now, when we go back in here, you better have your act together. Do you hear me? Deor, do you hear me?